लेसन
lesson
15
15
सुंदरी
Sundari
रीड
read
एंड
and
एंजॉय
enjoy
दिस
this
स्टोरी
story.
सुंदरी
Sundari
was
was
a
a
big
big
red
red
white
white
and
and
blue
blue
kite
kite
when
when
Bobby
Bobby
made
made
her
her
she
she
smiled
smiled
at
at
him.
him.
You are
Are
beautiful
beautiful
and I
I
will
will
call
call
you
you
Sundari.
Sundari.
He
He
said.
said
One
one
day
day
Bobby
Bobby
took
to
Sundari
Sundari
to
to
the
the
fire.
fire.
The
The
band
band
was
was
playing
playing
and everyone
everyone
was
was
smiling.
smiling.
A
A
merry
merry
go
go
round
round
was
was
playing.
playing.
A
A
happy
happy
little
little
tune.
tune.
It
It
was
was
crying.
crying.
Lots
Lots
of
of
boys
boys
and
and
girls
girls
round
round
and round
round
on
on
its
its
wooden
children
animals.
animals.
Bobby
Bobby
looked
looked up
for
for
an
an
open
open
space
space
where
where
he
he
could
cloud
run
run
and
and
fly
fly
his
his
kite.
kite.
Sundari
Sundari
looked
looked up
to
to
out
out
in
in
the
the
grass.
grass.
Rain.
When
Bobby
Bobby
holding
holding
up
up
his
his
kite
kite
as
as
high
high
as
as
he
he
cloud.
cloud.
Poof,
To
the
the
wind
wind
came
and
along.
along
Sundari
Sundari
started
started
to
to
fly
fly
up,
up
but
but
she
see
cloud
cloud
not
not
go
go
very
very
high.
high.
A
A
little
little
dogs
dog
was
was
holding
holding
on
on
to
to
her
her
long
long
tail.
tail.
It
It
was
was
in
in
his
his
mouth.
mouth.
Baby,
Baby
Bobby
Bobby
shoulded
should
the
the
dog
dog
away.
away.
Will
We
try
try
again.
again.
Bobby
Bobby
said.
said
This
this
time
time
Sundari
Sundari
leaped
lifted
up
up
in
in
the
the
air.
air.
She
She
tugged
again
hard.
hard.
Oh,
Oh,
how
how
she
she
wanted
wanted
Bobby
Bobby
to
to
let
let
go
go
of
of
her
her
string.
string.
She
She
gave
gave
a
a
big
big
tug.
tug.
Bobby
Bobby
had
had
a let
let
her
her
go.
go.
We
We
cried.
cried
Sundari,
Sundari.
now
Now
I
I
can
can
fly,
fly,
s,
s,
high,
I,
s,
s,
I,
I,
please,
please,
and,
and,
away,
away,
see,
see,
when,
when,
see,
see,
flew,
blew,
up,
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 up, in
in
the
the
air.
air.
अब आ जाते हैं लेसन 16 द
The
रेनबो,
rainbow,
है ना, इंद्रधनुष को बोलते हैं ना। बोट्स,
birds,
स्नेल,
snail,
ऑन
on
द
the
रिवर्स
rivers,
एंड
and
शिप्स,
ships,
स्लेल,
snail,
स्नेल
snail,
ऑन
on
द
the
सीज
sea,
बट
but
क्लाउड्स
clouds
दैट
that
स्नेल
snail
across
across
the
the
sky
sky
are
are
prepared
prepared
for
for
than
then
this.
this.
There
There
are
are
bridges,
bridges,
bright है ना, ब्रिज बोलेंगे ना, ये ब्रिज है, ब्रिज है ना। ऑन
on
द
the
रिवर्स
rivers
आर
are
एस
as
प्रेटी
pretty
एस
as
यू
you
प्लीज
please,
बट
but
द
the
बाउ
bow
दैट
that
ब्रिज
bridge
heaven
heaven
and
and
our
our
tops
tops
the
the
tree
tree
and
and
building
building
a
a
road
road
from
from
earth
earth
to
to
sky
sky
is
is
prepared
prepared
for
for
than
then
this.
this.
और लास्ट लेसन है, लास्ट है ना, लेसन 17
Lesson 17.
द
The
wind
wind
and
and
the
the
sun.
sun.
ये विंड है ना, ये विंड, द
The
विंड
wind
एंड
and
द
the
सन.
sun.
विंड
Wind,
सन
sun,
कैन
can
you
you
see
see
that
that
man
man
talking
talking
down
down
the
the
road?
road?
I
I
can
can
get
get
his
his
coat
coat
up
up
more quickly than you can. Sun smiling,
smiling.
we
We
will see
see
who is
it
stronger.
stronger.
I
I
will
will
let
let
you
you
try first.
first
Wind
wind
puffing
puppy
his
his
cheek
cheek
and blowing
growing
hard.
hard.
ooh 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 3 बार है ना। Man
Man
how strong
strong
the
the
wind
wind
is
is
today.
today
It
is
is blowing
blowing
my
my
coat
God
away.
away.
Must
Must
hold
hold
it
it
tightly
tightly
round
round
my
my
self.
side.
Wind
Wind
blowing
blowing
her
her
way. Ooh ooh. Man
man
pulling
pulling
his
his
coat
coat
more
more
tightly.
tightly.
How
House
could it eat? Wind, sun, I give up, I cannot get his coat off. Sun, now it is my turn. Let me try. He shines hard. Man, what a funny day. It was so cold. And now it is so hot. Sun shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Man weeping his face. I must take off my coat. Sun, wind, I have on बोलते हैं ना, जीत ऑन करके लिखा है ना. One, I have made him take off his coat. ये समाप्त हो गया.